indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.